for where you are going and what the universe has planned for you, your confidence is key. Baby, if you knew the rooms that you are walking into and where you are destined to present your energy, your story, what you have been through, what your vision is, what your mission is, if you knew, you might get a little intimidated. That's why right now things are a little bit hush hush. You're going to be very surprised. You are meant to be in places that are going to impact society so deeply. This message is not for everybody, okay? This is meant to reach only a specific collective right now. Ladybugs are also significant to this message, as well as eagles. So if you've been seeing ladybugs or eagles, owls is what I'm hearing too. You are connected to this frequency, this confidence that is unshakable. So really work on that energy right now of knowing who you are, knowing what you came here to do, and knowing that there's not a single person out there that can do it like you. Not a single person can do it like you. 11:55 on my time right now. 11:55, significant of your thoughts. 11 are manifesting into your reality. 55, change is happening. And you know what? I'm seeing 8 of Wands right now, and it's happening quickly. It's happening quickly. You are dripping in your divine power. You are dripping in your divine power, okay? And just know that it all works out in your favor. These plans that you have, these visions that you see for yourself, where you're going, you have it for a reason. You have it for a reason because this is your destiny, okay? This is your destiny. Mother Earth is paving the way. God is protecting you with every step you take. You came here to do this. Whole body chills right now. Oh my God, can you see them? Oh, you came here to do this. So this is a confirmation from Spirit right now that you are on the right path. That every step you are taking is divinely ordained. You are anointed. I'm hearing you are anointed. The crown chakra. I just see God's hand on your crown. Mother Earth holding your root. If you understand how powerful that is, and your higher self is like, let's go, we came here. I feel like you are somebody who had a really intense upbringing as a child, and it gifted you a unique wisdom and perspective on life. Because what you have been through, not everybody would have made it to where you are right now. Not everybody would have been, I don't even know how to word this, but it's like what you have faced would have broken other people. And it very well might have. And that is why, holy shit, and that is why you are an example in society of my past does not define me. My past does not control my future. This is my reality. I get to decide what goes down, where I'm taken, what I receive, and what I'm creating. I feel like you've just done a 360 in your energy, and you've stepped into this whole new version of yourself. This unshakable confidence in your divine power. And you're about to see that reflecting. The rooms that you are destined to walk into, get ready. Get ready, because it's time. It is your time. 11, as I just said that, 11 seconds. It is your time to shine, to share your light, to share your story. But remember your why. Don't get caught up in everything that's happening as the pace picks up around you and these opportunities come into your lap. It's like, here you go. Universe is like, you're ready now. So don't get caught up in those energies, remember why you started. Remember what you've been through that gifted you this perspective, that gifted you your talents, that gifted you this life path of abundance, of beauty, of societal impact. You're here to impact society in such a positive way. You're here to uplift the masses, okay? And remember why. Remember what got you here. Remember why you came. To alchemize all of that and to be an example in society. You are changing the frequency around you in society, and you're impacting our brothers and sisters positively. Is there anything else that this collective needs to know? Okay, red car in front of me, focusing on root chakra. Remember I said Mother Earth, root chakra, God, crown chakra. They're like literally, they're pointing out these energy centers. So staying grounded in your body, psychically grounded, physically grounded, and staying connected to the universe and whoever you connect with, God, divine, your spirit guides, there is no right or wrong. Whoever you connect with, keeping that connection every day, sitting in meditation, connecting with spirit, connecting with them to receive guidance, to clear any old programs or anything. Because remember, your confidence is key right now. Your confidence is key. That energy is so magnetic. That is such a magnetic frequency. So be confident in your power, in your divine essence. Stay grounded and stay connected, because it's picking up. It's picking up and it's getting really good for you right now. It's getting really good. Okay. Is there anything else that this collective needs to hear? I'm hearing you are safe to be in these rooms. You are safe to receive these opportunities. You are safe. You are safe. You are safe. For a while you didn't feel safe. For a while you maybe doubted this possibility. So keep reaffirming that you are safe to do this. That this is your destiny. That you are meant to be heard. That you are meant to be seen, okay? I have whole body chills right now. You are so loved. You are so magnetic. Keep loving yourself. Keep pouring into yourself. Keep being of service to others. The rooms that you are about to walk into. 2025 has major blessings for you, and it's just going to keep going throughout the years. It's just going to keep growing and growing, but we're not focusing on that. Remember, we're not focusing on what you're receiving, because it's going to be amazing. It is amazing, and it's just going to keep picking up. Focus on your why. Remember why. Stay grounded and connected, okay? I love you. If you wish to dive into any of my offers, I have a YouTube where I post longer Reiki videos, channeled messages. I have tons of workshops on my website that'll help you, develop your spiritual healing abilities. And I have one-on-one sessions if you're interested. All right, my loves.